Or should we say grace?
Yes.
For a safe trip too. Thank you.
So I'll do a frappe, espresso frappe. Let's do a medium with the toffee nut and maybe just some whipped cream. And then what would you like?
I would like to get a iced cafe latte with the caramel syrup, please. Cookie and one more cookie, please.
We got some frappes, and this is Hawaiian coffee. So try to drink it too fast.
Wow, kind of tastes like Christmas. Mine is good too. Let's go. Yeah. Whee, it's not that busy.
Let's get it, let's get it.
Alright, so we just got back from Tyson's Corner in Virginia. We went to all the stores. We got Prada bag, lace, big bag, shiny letters, ooh, Prada box. For the big reveal, what bag do we get? Ooh, it's in presentation. It's nice, they wrapped it up. It's been out 1 year. The leather really
Warranty.
leather really caught our eye. It was shining on the top shelf because it's the biggest one they had. And my wife was looking for a
Daily bag
that
you can bring to grocery shopping and put all together in.
We didn't research this bag knowing what kind of leather it is. I think she said like did she say ostrich or something?
Something like that. I don't know.
But ostrich has the little dots. But she said it was some.
It will explain inside.
Yeah. All right. So this. Ooh, the zipper. Like has a good. They rolled it up. Oh wow! Look, they like origami the filling. Ooh, another bag in there. Wait, this one. Oh, this is the
Strap.
Alright. Oh, okay. So, if you were wondering if you got a Prada bag, what it looks like, this is a lot of detail in this wrapping. This is.
It has a logo on the side here.
Oh, I'm so happy. This is not too. And yeah, I really love the inside stitch. It says Prada, and it's really shiny. We have one pocket inside. Here. Oh, that must be. Let's see. Does this have the? I don't know what this say.
Like.
Oh, the on the back. I like this. This is South Korea, so where you can contact them. I guess they have a Prada store. Oh yeah, here's all the languages. You can control
this, unlock it, unbuckle it, and then you can control open the strap thing here.
And then it kind of makes the.
If they had really like bright red, I'll get that one definitely, but I'm really satisfied with this. It's big enough.
It's really soft and light. That's what she said. Like the new leather. And if you have a big bag like this, I've seen them, they're heavy. Like, break your finger. This one, big, but folds nice. If you fold it, could look small, but can hold a lot. Big duffel bag.
I think your laptop can go inside. It's the largest one, not the medium one. They say large, but this one is like extra large.
Yeah, so on my receipt, let's see the receipt if they gave the exact name of this. Oh, this is the Borsa a Mano and Pelix Soft Luxe.
Narrow too.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the name. let me show you guys. Thank you.